I'm waiting. Hopefully he got back. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
All right.
Yeah, it just, I'm hoping he called back because no, last time I did that, I told him, hold on, I clicked over, did what I need to do, and then it went back. I didn't touch anything this time, so it just completely hung up. I go, you serious? So now I'm waiting for him to call back. If he called back, call back. Come on now. I understand you got to get back in line because everybody making their rounds today. But he did pick. This is the second time in a row he didn't pick. Second time. He done called right at the time for me to clock out. I'm gonna go here. Well, I'm gonna sit up here and wait. See if she gonna put anything up there. Or in there. But yeah. Y'all my neighbor asked me to take him somewhere, but he don't want to pay gas until the 27th. No, I am not doing that. I am not taking somebody somewhere free